The Central New York Living History Center in Cortland presents the annual National Brockway Truck Show. The event starts off with the Huskie Drive Road Rally for Brockway Trucks. Activities include a chicken barbecue, Brockway auction, fireworks display, and more. And of course, the famous Brockway Truck Parade on Saturday morning. Walk through the museum located on Route 11 and see early Brockway trucks and historical displays. Go to brockwaytrucks.org for all the details. The Central New York Living History Center in Cortland presenting the annual National Brockway Truck Show.